So right out of the journal, page 69. Today's date is 2/11/19. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3 are pretty easy. You're just going to add like terms. I'm not going to go back through that. Add like terms, you're just adding. When you add, you don't add exponents. But now when we get to 4, when we're multiplying, we will add exponents. Okay, because we're going to combine how many x's do you have. Okay, so this is called a superfoil. You ready? X to the fourth times 3x squared is a 3x to the sixth. Okay, 3x to the sixth. X to the fourth times a negative 6x, a negative 6x to the fifth. X to the fourth times a negative 1 is a negative 1x to the, it is huge, fourth, okay? So far so good, right? It is, it's a superfoil, I know. Negative 10x squared times a 3x squared is a negative 30x to the fourth. And I lined them up. It's one of the things I like to do. I like to line them up. Makes it easier in the end. If I put the like terms and I line them up, it makes it easier for me to add them later. Negative 10x squared and negative 6x squared makes a positive 60x cubed. Negative 10x squared minus a 1x squared makes a positive 10x squared. Okay? Now, let's do the 25. I'm going to go 25 times 3x squared makes a positive 75x squared. 25 times a negative 6 makes a negative, I think 150, I'm pretty sure, 150x. And then I get 25 times a negative 1 is a negative 25. Okay, now, what do I got? A mess. Too much, huh? What do I got? I got a lot of stuff, huh? But we're just going to bring it straight down. So we'll have a 3x to the sixth minus a 5x to the fifth minus a 31x, huh?
It's 6x to the fifth.
Oh, yeah, thanks. Negative 31x to the fourth plus a 60x cubed plus a 17x squared minus 150x minus 25.
Still too much.
Wait. It's 75. No, sorry, 85. Yeah.
I don't even know where we are.
25
Just
times
finished
three.
down this whole subject.
25 times 3 is 75, right?
Yeah.
Every day.
Where did I make a mistake at? Oh, it's supposed to be a 75. No, there's a 60.
65.
Oh, so that's going to be an 85. My bad. Thanks, you guys. Yeah, I'm bound to make a mistake every day, aren't I? It's just the way it is, okay?
I was so confused.
No?
60.
Yep. One of these days I won't.
Is that minus 85 or plus 85?
Okay, I want to do 5, and I want to do 7, okay? And then I'll be done, okay? But I have to do 5 on a separate sheet of paper. 5 is never going to fit in my journal
Yeah.
unless you do 5 down here. Okay, 5. I'm going to do 5 on a separate sheet of paper. Okay. 5. I've got 2x minus 3 times a 6 minus x times a 4 minus 5x. Okay, now, here's the way I like to do it, okay? You don't have to do it this way. This is my suggestion. I like to do these back to first. It makes it easier. You don't have to, but you have to multiply all 3 of these eventually, okay? So, I'm going to leave my 2x minus 3 just sitting out there for now, okay? And then on the inside, I'm going to FOIL it. I'm going to get a 24 minus a 30x minus a 4x plus a 5x squared, okay? Let me combine like terms. 2x minus 3 times a 24 minus a 34x plus a 5x squared, okay? And now, I'm just going to do another big FOIL. Kind of a pain, isn't it? I'll get a 48x. What's that? 68 minus a 68x squared plus a 10x cubed. How am I doing? Okay?
Terrible.
Okay. I think that's 72. I think it's a minus a 72. Minus a 72 plus, I don't know, 3 times 34. 3 times 34. 102. So I'm going to get a positive 102x. I'll put that right here. Positive 102x. Negative 15x squared, right? Where'd the 102 come from? Right here. Where'd the 72 come from? Right there. Okay. Now, let's see what I got. And if I can put it in order, it'd be nice. So here's my 10x cubed, right? That's my largest term. 10x cubed goes first. 68, 15, let's see, that's going to be 83, right? Minus 83x squared. I'm trying to wake up, not make any more mistakes, okay? Let's see, 150 plus 150x minus 72, okay? Yeah, I know. How's that for an answer? Okay,
It's a pain.
I do want to look at 6 real quickly. No, not 6. I don't want to look at 6. It is, oh, 7. I want to look at 7. I want to look at 7. Okay, and then I'll be done. Okay, I want to look at 7, okay?
No.
Yes, 7. 2v minus 1 cubed, all right? We'll do this one real quickly, and then I'll be done. So, write all 3 of them. Write all 3 of them. 2v minus 1 times a 2v minus 1 times a 2v minus 1, okay? Again, I like to do the back 2 first. It makes it easier for me. You do not have to do it this way. You can do the front 2 if you want to. I like to do the back 2 first. Makes it easy for me, okay? After years and years of doing math, it just seems easier for me to just leave this one alone until I do these 2 first, okay? So it's 4L. 4v squared minus 2v minus another 2v plus 1, right? Combine the middle terms. I got a 2v minus 1, 4v squared minus another 4v plus 1, okay? Welcome to Algebra 2. This is truly Algebra 2. Yeah, some kids really like Algebra 2 because they like manipulating variables. Some kids hate it because it's a lot of manipulating variables, right? Okay, let's finish it up. 8v cubed minus 8v squared plus 2v minus a 4v squared. I'm going to put that right there, line them up, plus 4v, I'll put that there, line them up, minus 1. Almost done really. So then you get an 8v cubed minus a 12v squared plus a 6v minus 1. Okay, there you go. That's all I have. Does it seem pretty easy? Just long